Kailan ba matatapos tong subuan na to? Lagi na lang subo na subo.
Beef capsa. Sun beef. Roasted chicken. Sarap naman. Sawa dito.
Roasted chicken.
Dalawa. Isa pa. Only one. Penny Alfredo. Chicken penny Alfredo. Sarap, creamy.
Puno na eh.
Isa pa. Sige.
Puno na.
Huwag na makulit. Yun.
Are you ready?
Umambon na pero hindi makakapigil sa akin ang ulan kasi merong bagong bukas dito na authentic Arabic cuisine. Natikman ko na ito dati sa Malabon, sa Navotas, pero andito siya ngayon sa 152 FPJ Street, dating Roosevelt Avenue. Ito ang Baba Siriano Arabic Cuisine and Grill. Ang daling tuntunin, kanto ng Cooper Street, dito sa may FPJ Street, sa may Roosevelt Avenue dati, tapat mismo ng Jollibee. Ayan o, halika na, umuulan na, let's go! Halika guys, pasok tayo sa loob. Nabutan ako ng ulan eh. Ang laki, ang luwag, ang laki ng aircon. Sobrang lamig. Dating nag-start ito sa street dito sa Navotas. Tsaka sa Malabon, meron din siya. Ngayon, nandito sa Quezon City. Oh. Maliwalas, ang laki. Restaurant talaga. Ito, open kitchen. Mamaya, kausapin natin si Baba. Bago tayo mag-tiki man time.
Sa food blog na kakaiba kay Noel Vlog, siguradong food tripang masaya. Para may paabot sa inyo saan may masarap at sulit na kainan. Gusto kong tulungan ng mga kababayan nating nagnenegosyo, lalo na mga asme, small, medium entrepreneur. Upang makilala sila sa larangan ng social media at syempre sa food industry, ramdam ko sila dahil dati din akong may resto. Kaya ako nag-food vlog para maihatid sa inyo saan may sulit, solid na kainan. Masarap akong kumain at marunong din akong magluto. Kaya pinasok ko ang mundo ng pag-food vlog.
Grabe ang sasarap naman na. Ang daming hinanda sa atin ni Baba Siriano. So guys, natikman ko na ito dati. He started from Navotas, tapos Malabon. Ngayon, nandito siya sa Quezon City. Ang address nito ay 152 FPJ Street, dating Roosevelt Avenue, Quezon City. Sa tapat ng Jollibee. Ayan ha, Jollibee baka naman. Ha? So, Baba Siriano, how are you my friend?
Always good. I miss you.
I miss you too, brother. So, when did you start here?
We start here 10 February, sorry.
Oh, just new, huh?
Yeah.
Before you were in Navotas, Malabon, and now you're in Quezon City.
Yes.
What time you open and closing time?
Closing, we are opening 11 a.m. Are ready to serve, and we close 9:30 p.m.
Every day.
Every day.
No day off, no close.
No closing, no day off.
So 11 a.m. until 9:30 p.m.
Yes, every day.
So guys, punta na kayo dito. Sabi sa'yo, authentic. Dahil si Baba Siriano, siya mismo nagluluto. Pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, nag-prepare siya ng food. Siya mismo nagluto sa atin. Thank you so much for having me here. And for accommodating me, preparing the food.
Always welcome, always welcome.
What's this? It's too much. What's the name of this one?
We have shawarma rice, the trending one before.
Wow.
And we have roasted manok, the one we subo-subo. We have kapsa,
Kebsa rice.
kapsa beef rice. And we have here fried chicken, Arabic fried chicken.
Arabic fried chicken.
With the gravy, with rice, with lahat po.
And this one?
This one, our hummus, our kebab, sambusa, we have sambusa,
Samosa. This one is samosa chicken?
sambusa chicken.
Samosa chicken. This one?
Sambusa potato.
Samosa potatoes?
Sambusa cheese.
Samosa cheese.
And this one, kebab chicken.
Kebab chicken.
Lassi yogurt.
Lassi yogurt.
Okay, penny alfredo chicken.
Penny Alfredo chicken.
Caesar salad.
Caesar salad.
Chicken Caesar salad.
Hummus. This one is kubos.
The pita. And we have more and more and more.
more.
Yeah.
You have chai, this one.
Yes, we have chai karak.
We have chai karak tea.
Chai karak.
Too much. You have too much food to offer here. And you tell me, there's a lot more.
Yes, there is a lot more. We have for all for family, for baby, we have the nugget, the chicken, we have everything. Mamaya we will have burger and the trending one, the grill, the ihawan.
Oh.
The chicken biryani on the olive.
So you have here Arabic food, Indian food.
Indian food and the Filipino mixed twist.
Because Filipino loves rice. This one is
Yeah, shawarma rice.
shawarma rice. Grabe guys, ang daming choices dito ng mga Arabic food.
Yes, and madami serving. Everybody busog, lusog, guaranteed
Oh.
talaga.
Busog, lusog, guaranteed talaga.
Guaranteed.
What will I try?
We will try here. Ito na, we start with the roasted chicken here.
Roasted chicken.
You love the breast?
Yeah. Yeah, I love breast.
Breast. The breast is the best.
This is the gravy?
So.
Oh my God. You make subo-subo?
So, ito na gravy. You can put with hummus. Ang dami, laki-laki. Ito na hummus. So with hummus. Yun. Ito na. We give now.
Pag pumunta kayo dito, manda kayo, tutubuan kayo eh.
We give now beef kapsa. Ito na beef kapsa. Ito na penny alfredo with the chicken.
Wait.
No time, I don't have. Then, we go to the Caesar salad.
Wait.
Sige, kumain ka na. Ito. Okay. Haba lettuce. Ayun. Tsaka, we put this one here. Kebab chicken. We sausaw with the garlic. Sausaw. Tornado. And give him mekos and san. Yun. Isa pa. You drink lassi yogurt. Dali. Swallow. Yes.
Sobrang sarap. Pag pumunta kayo dito, susubukan kayo dito eh. Nandito to po lagi, siya yung may-ari.
He cannot talk.
Siya nagluluto. Siya may subo-subo. Manda kayo pag nandito to, pero ang bait nito guys.
Sabaw.
Meron sa sabaw. Ano? Sinigang.
No.
What?
Pareho bulalo.
Bulalo.
Every day have Filipino sabaw. Bulalo, sinigang.
Alhamdulillah. Sarap, bulalo. Kailan ba matatapos tong subuan na to? Lagi na lang subo na subo.
Beef kapsa. Sun beef. Roasted chicken. Sarap naman. Sawa dito.
Roasted chicken.
Dalawa. Isa pa. Only one. Penny Alfredo. Chicken penny Alfredo. Sarap, creamy.
Puno na eh.
Isa pa. Sige.
Puno na.
Huwag na makulit. Yun. Ito na sabaw. Isa sabaw? Yeah.
Huwag yun. Sabaw. Ikaw?
No, bulalo.
Bulalo? What?
Oh, sige.
Bulalo?
Sarap naman.
Sarap. Grabe. Baba, thank you so much for having me here.
God bless you.
I know you're busy. You're cooking there. He's the owner. At the same time, he's the cook. Everything.
Yes.
Before I was ano ko eh? Susubukan ka dito na susubukan niya. Guys, ang bait nito. Dapat natin supportahan. Baba Seriano. You have Facebook page?
Yes, meron profile Baba Seriano. Baba Seriano, same.
Ito yun, oh. Baba Seriano. Please check niyo yung cravings niyo ng mga authentic na Arabic food, Syrian food, Indian food. Meron dito. Ito yung kanyang Facebook page, guys. And invite them again.
Kuya ate, gusto mo ba busog-lusog masaya talaga? Visit Baba Seriano. Now I have malaki menu, lahat na available. Fried chicken, kabsa beef, roasted chicken, lahat available po. Sambusa, everything. Wake up!
Too much subo-subo. Baba,
Yes.
thank you so much again for accommodating me, for giving me a time.
Always.
I know you're busy. And
problem.
I hope, because you're a hardworking guy, I hope you have a successful business someday.
Thank
And of course, God bless you. And always masarap your food.
Yes. Cooking with love
Cooking with love, no?
is the secret.
Yun.
Yes.
So guys, ako lang sabi sa inyo, kung gusto yung authentic na Arabic food, Indian food, or Mediterranean food, nandito na sa Quezon City. Again, ang address niya, 152 FPJ Street, dating Roosevelt Avenue, sa tapat ng Jollibee. Nandito ang Baba Seriano. Sarap. Nahirapan ako huminga. Subo-subo, Meg, subo-subo.
Drink karak.
Ah, meron siya karak dito, karak.
Karak
Chai, oh.
chai.
Oh. Drink karak. Wala, alhamdulillah. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Pero before that, gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa Fern D. Kasi ang dami nating tinikman na masarap. Ayan, Fern D. Ito po yung gamit kong vitamins. Ito yung tinitake ko araw-araw. And kung paano umorder ng Fern D, tawag kayo dito sa Facebook ni Mr. Peter Estrada. Message kayo dyan. Kasi hindi kayo makaka-avail ng Fern D sa any supermarket or any pharmacy store. Wala po ito. Kailangan sa authorized dealer dito kay Mr. Peter Estrada. Thank you so much, Fern D. And of course, thank you so much sa aking shoes. Checkpoint Shoes Family. Yan. Checkpoint Shoes of Marikina. Thank you so much, Sir Neil. And meron sila sa Lazada, Shopee, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page. Ito yung kanilang Facebook page. Ayan. Ang Checkpoint Shoes, gawang Marikina yan, gawang Pinoy. So, let's support Marikina Showmakers. Let's support Checkpoint Shoes. Ang ganda kasi ng quality, ang mura pa. So, again, thank you so much, Sir Neil of Checkpoint Shoes. And of course, thank you so much, Baba.
God bless you always. Thank you. Always welcome.
Always thank you for making me happy. May tummy happy for subo-subo. Walang tigil na subo. Subo-subo. Please follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page. Noel Lowell Vlogs, Panon Travel. Of course, like, comment, share, subscribe dito sa aking YouTube channel. Ang sasarap ng foods. Ang sarap ng subo-subo.
No.
Thank you guys. Punta kayo dito. Good sa food dito. Peace out.
God bless you all.
Okay, hi guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and like Noel Vlogs para maging magandang araw natin palagi. God bless.